Hey guys, quick video today. And the reason it's a fast video is because you already understand the theory behind it. This is how to use masks to do cool things with your images. And Photopea has a lot of different cool things you can do, but the principle is the exact same as the principle behind what you did yesterday, which is create two layers, adjust something in the background layer, and then use layer 1 to filter out anything that you may want to either highlight a subject or to change focus or whatever the case may be. Okay, and with Photopea, again, it's very easy to do, and there's a lot of really cool things you can do. So I've got my image here, I've got my background, and I've got my foreground, right? So my background here, and then whatever I'm going to filter out here, which is currently off. That way I can see what I'm doing to the background. And you can change a lot of things by adding a filter to this. Now the filter is going to be any of these things, and choosing these things, I haven't gone through them all. I highly recommend you just do things which seem to be pretty cool. I'll show you a couple of the ones I found which I think are really, really cool and I have used. The first one that I've used is a Gaussian blur. And what a Gaussian blur does is it obviously makes the picture blur, and you can have it completely blurred out or you can have it barely blurred at all, but adding just a little bit of blur to your picture, pressing OK, and then going to your layer, turning visibility on, layer, add a raster mask, make sure you've got your brush on the right color, and then simply start painting over whatever it is that you want to reveal. And then you've got your focus very easily and very quickly highlighted between, or by very quickly highlighted because it's the only thing that's in focus in the image. Okay, so that's one of them. I'm going to Control Z all of that. I gotta Control Z my Gaussian blur here. There. Okay, so back to my regular image. Another really cool one, again, making sure you have your background selected here. That's going to be important. Putting a filter. You can add noise to it. Noise being if you've got a really grainy image, right? So this makes it look kind of old school. Cancel that. Filter. This one is pretty cool. Stylize. If you stylize it as an oil painting, and there's, hold on, yeah, changing these different things is going to make it look more or less like an oil painting, obviously, but take a look at how cool that is. All right, you can make it, and adjusting these things will do whatever, make it look the way that you want it to. Bristle detail, shine. Ooh, that's a little much. Something like that, hit OK. And then yeah, come back to here, turn that on, put on your layer mask, hide all, get your brush out, and then you, or whatever you want to do with your image, are now in the middle of an oil painting, right? That I think is pretty sweet. Okay. So there's that one. And yeah, I just recommend you kind of go through and see what each of these things do. Okay? Because it is pretty cool. There's a lot of neat things to do. So go ahead and practice. Okay? And similar to what you did yesterday, you do not need to have a before and after picture. Just pick a picture and create a cool effect and put that on your PowerPoint. Okay? That's it for this. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys around.